Hi, everyone. I'm looking at the list over here, which I managed to get up on my large computer screen again. There's a interesting spread of problems here. It's more balanced towards physical, emotional than often it is. Sometimes there's a theme that emerges. So we'll use the female doll here to represent male and female. I'm sure females will appreciate it and the males don't care. So, so we're good there. All right, so let's see, let's kind of bring this down. And where my hands go first is over the diaphragm. So solar plexus, diaphragm. I think I'm particularly up in the stomach with the diaphragm here. That's the way it feels. So we'll just kind of play with that. Pull the stomach down out of the diaphragm a bit. Make some room there. That may take a minute because we're just kind of being gentle with it. Down here. Open things up a bit. Yeah, stomach's definitely up in the diaphragm. What is this? Okay. Got a couple of people that have this pattern. This will help everybody improve digestion. There we go, releasing the diaphragm. By the way, I'm wearing, I don't know why, it's funny, I'm wearing these magnet rings on my fingers in case you're wondering about that. That's I don't know, I read somewhere on a website talking about putting magnets on the little small intestine and heart meridians and regenerating the body as far as some sort of immortality loop. So yeah, I had them and I thought I found them again, so I just thought, hey, so I'm wearing them. So that's what that is. nothing. Well, it's kind of weird, but whatever. Don't know if they're doing anything, but hey. So now I'm working in the ileocecal area, working the cecum, colon, on this right side here. Surprised nobody has the kill you flu. I had that 2 weeks ago and still kind of having when I was teaching the seminar this last weekend. Pretty nasty stuff. I don't think it was a coronavirus because I don't like beer. Yep. Pulling down on the stomach again, the diaphragm. Interesting. More there than we would think, huh? This liver ache that someone's mentioning here may be diaphragm because I'm consistent here coming back to it. Okay. It's funny, a lot of times people will say, well, their kidneys hurt or their liver hurts or whatever, and it's usually their diaphragm or the low back. It takes a lot for a visceral organ to actually hurt, and if it does hurt, it tends just to cause nausea and swelling. You don't really notice it as pain per se, but it can make you feel pretty sick. Okay, so gallbladder, liver area. I'm really on the diaphragm and still on the rib cage here. There we go. And that's releasing that right side as well. Okay, so now I'm going to look at the right side here. Yeah. So we have something that my friend Hector Garcia calls a tissue issue. And we won't go into a lot of detail with that, but it's something we can neutralize that we would want to neutralize. So we'll go up into the right arm here, breast area. This whole area around the rib cage. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 of those here. Let's see. This one, that one. One more there. Okay. So we're working on that. So how many? So we'll see how many layers it goes into. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 layers. How many patterns? 1, just 2 patterns. Okay. So then we're just going to send like a You call it Thor's hammer, you know, like a bolt of lightning through there. Pow. The old Batman's visuals, you know, kapow. Right, so we're really going to work with that. These rings do look pretty funny. Cheesy little guys. Okay, let's see now. All right, so now we're working out in the field on the right side here. See, I'm outside the physical body. And this applies to quite a few of us here. So we're smoothing out the auric field, so to speak. Now I can see it to some degree, or I see some representation of it, where it dips in and bulges in certain areas. Doesn't mean I'm right. That's kind of going to the right kidney area.